Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and I think studying well. Now, today we are going to discuss, I think, one or two chapters which is about chess and motor sports in GK. In the previous video, I had discussed about explorers. We had a very big discussion, very huge discussion about explorers, that how they sail over the different oceans, and they reach to the different places in the search of business, means in the search of to expand their business and all the things. Now in this video I am going to tell you about chess. Do you know that chess is basically originate from India? This is an Indian game. So there is given some questions. I am going to give you some answers. Just listen it carefully. That first question was, where did chess originate? So I hope all of you are aware about that chess is originated from India. This is an Indian game. Next, how many type of chess pieces are there? So there are 6 pieces of chess types of chess pieces. Third one was, how many pawns does each player play with? Means कितने pawns जो होते हैं which is basically play with that. 8. Traditionally, which color piece move first? We know very well that white. Next is, how many pieces, how many pieces does which player begins with the game? Means at least how many pieces a player should have. Means he should have or she should have at least 16 pieces of the players, then he can play. Next, what is the term for the position in which a player kings is in the check and the other player cannot move out check? This is called basically checkmate. So I hope that you people are aware about that. जब एक टर्म आता है जिसपे क्या होता है कि राजा को चेक दिया जाता है. चेक इन द सेंस व्हाट? This is given an opportunity to, I am giving an opportunity to save your king. So that is called checkmate. And the last one, how many moves from each side of the quickest possible checkmate take places? Means you can take at least 2 chances. Means 2 chances you can save your save the king. Now after this, it is given about some pictures at the top of your lesson, which is about identify which player is called which name. First one, I move only one step forward, which is called pawn. Okay. Second, I move straight, which is called rook. And the third one is, I move 2.5 spaces, which is called knight. Fourth one, I move diagonally. This is called bishop. And the fifth one is, I move one step on any side, which is called king. And the last one, I move on all sides. This is called queen. जो हमारे यहाँ मंत्री बोलते हैं, वो मंत्री नहीं होता है, होता है queen. So there is in this game there is a pawn, rook, knight, bishop, king and queen, which is, this is in English. In Hindi if you ask me, then it is called, जो बोलते हैं सैनिक, हाथी, घोड़ा, इसको बोलते हैं ऊंट, और राजा एंड रानी. So now this was your lesson about chess. If you have any doubt regarding any topic, then you can ask me. Now next is about motor sports. Now what kind of motor sports are basically played in which places, which country of the part of the country, which is given here. The first one is in the form of race. The original lawn mower engine are retained, but the blades are removed. This is done for safety. See, इसके blades निकाल दिए जाते हैं. When you see the pictures, it look like tractors. So this is basically lawn mower race. जो lawn काटने के लिए, जो lawn में घास काटने के लिए मशीन होती है, उसका रेस किया जाता है. This is called lawn mower race. Next is in the form of race, high performance sports, planes, race grounds, race around a tight circuit near the ground level. This is called Aero GP. This is also a racing. You know, these basically games are for the fun purpose. Third is, this is the highest class of single seat auto racing, which cars race up to speed of 340 km per hour. You know, everybody I think know about that. This is Formula One racing, which is world famous. Fourth word is in the form of racing, high powered cars. Race cars are used which are designed to run in short oval dirt or paved track. See, ये you know what, हाई पावर्ड रेसिंग कार्स होती हैं, बट इसमें क्या होता है कि ऐसे डिज़ाइन किए जाते हैं कि यू नो व्हाट इट कैन रन ओवल यू नो व्हाट ओवल डर्ट. ओवल का मतलब होता है अंडाकार, गोलेकार, यू नो व्हाट दे कॉल इट, सर्कल में घूमने के लिए. दिस इज कॉल्ड स्प्रिंट कार रेसिंग. फिफ्थ वन इज इट इज़ अ क्रॉस कंट्री रेस इन्वॉल्विंग राइडिंग bicycles designed for rough terrain, and then this sport is now an Olympic sports. You know about very well bicycle motocross, which is basically very famous and right now all over the world. And the last one is it is a form of motor racing involves modified versions of heavy tractors, units of racing circuits. So this is basically a race which is done on trucks. This is truck racing game, which is very famous. Now the next one is about art around the world. In your book it has given so many pictures. You can see the different kind of pictures with those who are very famous in the world. Let me tell you some, you know what, pictures about. We will discuss further about in the Google Meet, but let me tell you about the answers of this one at least. The first picture is called the School of Athens. Okay. And the second one is the Scream. It is called the Scream. And the third one is three musicians. And the fourth one is the Cafe Terrace at night. Fifth one is the Starry Night. Sixth one is, you know very well, the Mona Lisa. And the seventh one is the persistence of the persistence of memory. Eighth one is Guernica, and the last one is Girl with a Pearl Earring. Now if you have any doubt regarding chess, motorsports and around the world, you can ask me on Google Meet. We'll meet tomorrow and then we will discuss. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.